girls, welcome to Going Guitar. Ali Gatie, Alligator. We got him many times on this channel. If you're a fan of him, me, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and check out the playlist. I believe we have like 20, at least 30, maybe 40, I'm not sure, songs from Ali. So numerous ways of learning his different songs. Great big portfolio here on Going Guitar. So yeah. Now, let's go into this song. It's called Always Miss You, and it has his DNA all over it. So we have 4 chords. They're just rolling in the same way. Very simple. Let's go into it. And we have capo on second. That is the setup. Now, we're going to learn C, G, D, and E minor, the famous 4. Let's start with C. And that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G next. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. D next. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E, and finally we have the E minor. And that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so one string pattern that sounds and goes like this. Okay, so it's a pretty long one. We're gonna start with down, up, down, down. So I hold the C now. Down, up, down, down. That's the count of the first half. And then the rest will be up, down, 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 up. So down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. That's one string around. You're gonna play one of these per chord in the same order we learned them. So C1, G1, D1, E minor 1, like this. Sometimes he plays just one down, but mostly this is the strumming pattern. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Very simple. From Ali Gatie, Always Miss You. Hope to see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tuned.